I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Hey y'all, hey lovies, it's great. So we are back and again with another video, guys. So I was at church. It was it was so good. I just came on here because y'all, I'm so excited. So it is the 22nd of January today, and next month on the 16th is my birthday. Yes, your girl is gonna go. Okay, I'm turning 17. Yeah, I just wanted to start this birthday prep. What you doing? This birthday prep video. My birthday prep video. I just wanted to start it already. Today, normally I'm supposed to be ordering my little weave I'm getting. It's getting like, I'm gonna show y'all a picture and everything, but this is just an introduction. Voila, voila, voila. Can't wait for my birthday, y'all. It's gonna be bomb. It's gonna be bomb. So I'm gonna tell you guys a brief of what is gonna come. Anyways, so basically I'm having my weave ordered on AliExpress. Then I have to buy my birthday outfit on Shein, and I'm buying some jewelry off of Amazon because, you know, we want the good quality. We don't want no green stuff coming up. So yeah, thank you for that. I think I'm also gonna make a maintenance vlog aside from that. I think this is going to be showing like a few parts of my preparation, because I also will do a maintenance vlog for that day. Okay? Because y'all, I still don't have a theme for my birthday.
I have a theme.
What?
Harry Potter.
Girl, don't probably we love Jesus over here. Okay? I know I'm wearing all black, but yeah. But yeah, that's all that's exciting for what's gonna be up and coming. And what I have to tell you guys, I'm super excited. I haven't vlogged in such a long time. I'm literally rapping right now. I'm talking so much, but I'm just so excited because I haven't vlogged in so long, and I'm so happy that I'm finally gonna vlog. So yes. So we're probably gonna be filming, you know, my birthday month, because when it's your birthday, it's gonna be a whole birthday month. Okay, period. Hey lovies, it's your girl Angela. Y'all, I'm so pumped up. Guess what it is? Yeah, you guessed right. It's your girl's. It's my birthday, y'all. Oh my gosh. First of all, I just want to say thank you to God. I'm so grateful that He chose that today is going to be the day that you were born, because there's something special about you, and you're going to change the world. Okay? And I'm so grateful for that. I am thankful to God again. I cannot be more grateful. I cannot be more thankful, because He put me in the family that I'm in. He put me in this life, right? He brought me out, and I'm just so grateful for that. Oh my gosh. So I'll be honest with y'all. You know, yesterday I had forgotten that today was my birthday. I was on the phone with a family member, and she was like, you know, tomorrow's my birthday, right? And I'm like, what? And I was like, oh my goodness, no way. And yeah, so in terms of like preparation, only half of the things that I wanted to get done is done. But like, I have my outfit. I have my dress, my heels, my shoes, my hair. And I haven't even done my hair yet. And after today. And I want to take pictures today to post them. I know how that's gonna work, but you know, we're gonna see. In terms of what I'm gonna do for my birthday, I don't know. I really don't know. I wanted to go to the restaurant, but then I don't know. I don't know, y'all. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna do anything big, to be honest. So y'all just gonna see me prep for my photo shoot that I will be having. And yeah.
Hey y'all, out there.
Hey y'all. So my sister about to do my hair. Yo, I love hair. I just don't know what she's gonna do, but she is gonna be doing my hair, my wig cap. I think I'm gonna do the celebration on Sunday since some of my siblings are still going to school. We're not all in holidays, and it's a Thursday, so you know people are still in work mode. So I figured on Sunday or Saturday we gonna celebrate it then, and I could take pictures. But my hair has to be done today. Show y'all how my hair's gonna be done. Stay tuned.
Together is where we're supposed to be. Ooh. Save this space for anytime you don't feel safe. And if you forget the way I remind you, don't save face whenever you're in this place. You don't have to hesitate, I got you.
That's very true. Now, I'm not saying if you can't use it, that's another thing. But you need to try.
I've been sad a little too long. About time that I sing me a new song. About time that I throw on my good jeans. Take the picture out the frame, get the...
Hey y'all, I'm back. I forgot to show you guys the rest of my hair. It was just crazy, y'all. I bought the wrong wig, but you know we made it work because this child she is the maker of this hair. She did that, and yeah, we're not done. I still have to flat iron my hair. I might curl it, but not today obviously. But today we're just gonna flat iron my hair. But it's laid down. It's just that this wig is not the right wig. Girl, it's just the whole story. But you know, we're going to stay positive every time, period. Okay? I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with my whole outfit on Sunday. I want to say thank you to God. Thank you to my family. Thank you to my friends. Y'all, love y'all. All over the world. I thank all you guys. I want to thank myself. I will not glorify myself. I'll glorify Jesus Christ because he died for me on the cross of Calvary. Hey! And now I'm gonna take one shot for the big 1-7. I'm with my girl Blush. We together, girl. Don't worry. Yo, the big 1-7. I'm gonna take a shot. 1, 2, 3.
Hope you ain't loving the crew. How many bodies you got? Pray it ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some lanes when you was young and in school. You had to pop your chair, but I got it.
Okay. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers.
Choose the back of the lonely blue cup.
Okay, wait, back over to make an announcement. I'm not doing that shit.
Where's the speech?
Okay. Guys, the alcohol.
Nice sky. C'est what? Oh, nice sky. You say what? Okay. And don't guys say it.
She's not skinny, nice girl.
What you say? No? What you say?
Think I need your abuse, babe. Girl, you do damage to me. No, I love it. Yeah, I love you. Ain't nothing better for me now. Girl, you do damage to me. No, I love it. Yeah, I love you. Ain't nothing better for me now. Can you put it?
Thank y'all. I will see you guys in the next vlog. It's just been the best birthday. I'm so grateful. Yeah. Bye.